And there's Amber getting hit by the boom.
Well, the dodger. Did you see me do it?
No, I just saw your head, so I figured it was... Colt pulling nails?
Yes.
Yes, indeed.
A little bit cleaner now.
Okay.
Here goes the crab on the hook. Show the camera.
What happened?
At the tip of the rod, it's tangled.
There we go.
Perfect size for a crab. In the water. Trust me, crabs are harder to cast than they look.
You heard it from the best. If y'all are wondering what that is the bed Amber and Dad slept in last night.
Huh? Jordan was walking around with the camera, and I didn't see him because I came out of the cockpit and smoked my head right on the Dodger. Jordan's like, and there's Amber.
Let's go see what Colt's doing. Pulling some nails. Says pulling some nails.
There you can see the little holes.
Yeah, I have some holes if y'all can see them. Maybe probably not. But yeah. That looks like fun. I think I scared her a little bit.
That was gonna need a beat.
See how this comes up, huh? How's everybody else doing today?
Doing good. I'm working out. Scared Amber.
Scared her?
And she was like, well, that's gonna need a beat. I ain't scared. I said something and
She
jumped and said, oh!
There's no whacking and nails.
And there's a lot of nails.
Very alive.
There we go. Definitely some rock. Waiting for a fish.
Yep. There's been a huge redfish jumping by the boat and I've been waiting to catch it. I just haven't had any bait.
Looking pretty good. You can see, took all this wood out over here. most of the styrofoam. A lot of work, but we got it done. This is the deck of the boat up here. So we couldn't take that out yet. Pretty much it. Both pulling nails over here.
The last board.
Last board.
And that one broke.
Oh, that one broke. Okay. Yeah. Do the same thing to the other side. Kind of new to this camera. Yep. Here's all that.